Maraming salamat. Kaya hindi ko po masabing basher kayo eh. Kasi ramdam na ramdam ko po yung effort nyo sa akin. Hindi ko maramdaman yung bash nyo. Galingan nyo pa. Galingan! Hindi.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Forever here. I hope that you are all doing well. I promise I won't cut this one short. So this is Stell's TikTok live from September 17th. Who knows what he's going to do? Oh my gosh, his Christmas tree is up. How exciting. Oh, I really want to see it. I hope he gives us a little bit of a close-up of it. But obviously I can see already from the first subtitle that he's going to cook. This is like the old times and he's got wet hair. And he's wearing specs. There's a lot to process and I haven't even pressed play. If you would have a look at the description below, you will see a link to the original upload. A huge thank you to the YouTube account that is Estella Presser for uploading and for subbing. I love you. That's it. Can we please watch this together?
Magluluto lang po ako. Samahan niyo ako kumain. Ano ang lulutuin ko?
Yes! I'm so excited. Oh, okay.
Pansit canton. Sayang, walang sweet and spicy. Meron, pero isa na lang.
And you want to eat too?
Pagsasamahin ko na lang. Chili mansi. Tapos maglalagay ako maglalaga ako egg.
That tree. I like a traditional tree. Like green with the like really traditional decorations on it. Or I like something outrageous like that.
Para sa pansit.
It just looks like snow.
Kumain na ba kayo? Nag-dinner na ba kayo? Kakatapos ko lang maligo. So, ngayon pala ako kakain. Kasi buong araw akong nakahilata lang sa kama.
That's so good. Chilling.
Tapos,
relaxing. Oh, I love the little... Is it the snowman in his lights? So cute.
Maglalaga rin ako na enoki mushrooms. Lagyan ko ng enoki mushroom. I-ano ko lang siya. Boboil ko lang sa water.
He looks so unbelievably handsome right here. As he always does. But I just need to say it. Because it's being processed by my brain right now.
Tinatamad na ako. Ito na lang meron dito eh. Yes, nag-post pala ako ng nag-post ako ng behind the scenes vlog sa YouTube account ko. Sa music video ng Di Ko Masabi. Nag-post ako ng vlog just now. So if you're not busy and nakikinig lang kayo nanonood ng live ko, panoorin niyo po yung behind the scenes vlog ng Di Ko Masabi. Hello sa 10.2 viewers. Hi, kumain na ba kayo? Nag-dinner na ba kayo? Kasi ako ngayon pa lang. Huwag niyo po akong tutularan.
I think I might today.
Guys, may mga sasabihin ako sa inyo today. May mga pag-uusapan tayo mga bagay ba?
That sounds really serious. I hope it's not serious.
Kumain na ba
kayo? Is he gonna tell us off?
Kumain na kayo?
What did we do? I'm sorry, Stel.
Kunin lang natin ang ating sangkalan. Iwain ko lang ang
Look at the twinkling lights! I'm sorry, it's not even Halloween yet. Not allowed. Those are my rules.
Yeah. So, hiniwa ko lang siya. Hello po sa 10.3 viewers. Kakaligo ko lang po. Buong araw lang akong hilata sa bed, wala akong ginawa. Yun yung literal na wala akong ginawa today.
That's so good. It's what you need every now and again.
Kayo, anong ginawa niyo today? Di ba kayo busy? Or galing kayo sa labas? What? Naglaga tayo ng egg. Magluluto ako ng pansit canton. Then, Bango maglalaga ng enoki mushrooms. Din po yung kakainin ko. Wala po ako sa LU ngayon. Yung post ko po, late post po yun. Matagal na yun. Yun yung nagka-free time ako, tas nag-LU kami ng buong family. Ngayon ko lang na-post. Because why not?
Yeah, exactly. Why not? Post those vlogs as well, please. I'm so glad that he got to go with his family though.
Loko mo ko eh. Kakatapos ko lang maligo. Kaya naman, auto nyo ako eh.
Yeah,
Tapos
right.
ang ginagawa ko po ngayon ay nagluluto ng pansit canton. Luluto ko lang to tapos tsaka tayo mag-usap habang kumakain. Anong shampoo ko? Well, my shampoo is Secret. Abi, papakita pala ako sa inyo. Tignan nyo. Yung sabon ko sa kamay.
It's hand soap sabon. That is literally like
tingnan yung sabon ko sa
almost
kamay.
exactly the same as
Parang
Urdu.
diba? Paws ng pusa.
Cute!
Cute, no?
So cute.
Ito yung pag pinrest mo, puk!
I want!
Saan ko siya
I
nabili?
want.
Nung nag-Japan ako, nung nagbakasyon ako sa Japan, nabili ko siya. Ito siya, yung Biore. Yung Biore na sabon. So, ito siya, gaganan mo lang, shock. So, pagka ginanon mo, yun na siya. Ha, cute.
So cute.
So, ano siya, hand wash. Hand soap pala. Hand wash. Hand soap.
That's what we call it here.
Ano siya,
Hand wash.
tawag dito, ano tawag doon? Foam. Hand soap na foam. Cute, no? Pose ng pusa. Tuk, 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 tuk. Anong dinner ko? Pansit canton ko. Sorry. Ito lang po ang kinaya ng aking kasipagan. Dahil ako po ay hindi tatamad. Kayo, anong dinner nyo? Siguro masarap yung dinner nyo, no? When there's loneliness. Hindi ko napapakita kasi pag pinakita ko, babagal pa ako. Kasi magsiswitch-switch pa ng camera. So, mamaya na lang. And then, paano po kakain? Iniluluto ko pa lang. Kaya talaga. Pag naluto po, sige, kakainin ko sa harap niyo. Wait niyo lang. Wait nyo lang. Pero ito na po, binibilisan ko na, nanginginig pa ako. Ito na, ito na. Ang ganda ng Christmas tree ko. Thank you.
Very, very
Pero
beautiful.
huwag ka patalo, mas maganda ka. Kapatalo, mas maganda ka.
Shut up. Why is he like this? Makes me angry. I'm guessing the tree, so you can get pre-lit trees and decorated trees like that here, but I'm guessing like I saw it, he decorated it himself. In that TikTok, that's what he was doing.
Galit.
Bless you!
Namimihasa kayo Joke lang. So nalagay ko na ang mga saucerous. Para pagkaluto, ihalo ko na lang. Kumukulo na ang ating noodle. Anong gusto niyo sa pansit canton? Malata or yung tama lang? Or gusto niyo yung crunchy pa? Crunchy?
Crunchy? Is that a thing?
Ano you know the crunch? Ako gusto ko yung medyo malata. Sorry pasensya na Ako naman kakain, di naman kayo. So, wala kayong magagawa kasi ako yung nagluluto at ako yung kakain.
Exactly.
Gusto ko yung medyo lang, medyo malata. Kaya sa mga nangaaway sa akin dyan, dahil malata ako magluto, sorry kayo, hindi kayo makakatikim ng aking pansit canton.
Take it back, guys.
Kung ayaw niyo sa pansit canton ko, ayaw ko rin sa inyo. Joke lang. Magluto kayo. Pinupunan niyo yung pansit canton ko Hindi naman kayo yung kakain. Galit. Hello po sa 11,000 viewers. Kumain na ba kayo? Mamaya inuuna nyo ako. Joke lang. Feeling! So now, I'm cooking my pancit canton because this is my dinner for
His hair
tonight.
grows really quickly.
I don't have enough will to cook something special for tonight or order something special for tonight because wala naman pong celebration Still, wala ka bang joke? Actually, ito na yun, So, I'm just waiting for my noodles to be malata. I'm just waiting for my noodles to be malata.
I love this mood. This mood. Put
Guys,
those
sorry,
lines on your
kakaligo ko
forehead
lang kasi,
away.
So, parang medyo sweet
Hot
and
mess?
spicy ang the best. No, ikaw ang the best. Huwag kang papatalo. Walang sinabing sweet and spicy pagdating sa'yo. Tandaan mo yan, Spicy ang the best. O, sige na. Kung ipipilit mo, sige. Ipipilit natin. Sige, yun na yung the best. Uy, sardines yung ulam nyo. Alam mo, may stock din ako dito ng mga sardines. Ayan o. Kasi, paborito ko rin to. Like, pag wala na akong maisip, ito talaga. Pag yung pagod na pagod ako, tapos gusto ko kumain na kagad, tapos mainit na kanin. Ayan, sardines talaga. Marami ako dito. Kala mo kayo lang. Parang lumalata na ng sobra yung noodles ko. Yung tipong magiging soup na siya.
I
yung
like
tipong,
soupy noodles
hindi ko na
too.
siya haluin kasi sisip-sipin ko na lang yung joke lang. Naging soup. Okay na siguro to. Kasi mami, bash nyo ako dahil sa pansit canton kong malata. Charan! Ang ating kukulamin ngayon ay si... Joke lang. Teka lang sige. Gusto niyo bang makita kung paano ako mag-drain? Wag na!
Love this mood.
Habang hindi niyo ako nakikita, magsasalita na lang ako.
Yeah, go on.
So today,
As
ang
normal.
ginawa ko lang po pagkagising ko ay una ay nagwalis ng bahay at nagmap ng sahig. Dahil sa dalawang pusa akong napakalakas maglagas, kailangan lagi akong nagwawalis dahil ang balahibo nila ay nasa kung saan-saan. Hindi niyo ako nakikita pero dadaldal po ako Wait lang.
No probs.
Sa pagkagising ko kanina, ako ay nagwalis. Ako ay nagwalis at nagmap ng sahig dahil ang mga pusa ko ay grabe maglagas. Pagkatapos po, ang kinain ko kaninang umaga ay ang tira kong pagkain kagabi na hipon. So, yun na yung lunch ko kasi hindi na ako nag-breakfast kasi late ako nagising. And then, after ko noon, wala na. Humiga na ako, humilata, nanood ng movie, tapos naglaro ng
What
Brawl Stars.
movie?
Yun ang ginawa ko. Hanggang ngayon na pagkagising ko, naligo na ako.
That sounds like a good day if you've had like a really busy
Pagkaligo ko,
schedule.
magluto ng kanton, tapos nag-live. Diba? Galing. Napaka-productive ng araw ko. Teka lang, hindi nagkakasya ang mga bagay-bagay. Papagpalit. Ba't ang harot ko?
Yeah, I don't
Yan,
know.
mahaba yung tulog. Uy! Very good. Haha! Hindi ko na-drain ng maayos. Nagkaroon ng sabaw yung pansit canton. Sabi na-manifest ko yung soup eh. Feeling ko kaya ako energetic kasi haba ng tulog ko. Tignan niyo yung pansit canton ko, gano'ng karami.
Wow.
Tapos may egg pa yan. Nalagyan natin ng egg.
That's a
Tapos
lot.
nalagyan natin. Wait lang. I'm just going to... Yari.
Yeah, I don't know either.
So, paano ko hugasan to ngayon? Paano to ngayon? Teka nga. So, hugasan natin ang ating enoki mushroom. Na sobrang dami. Tingnan nyo. Pakarami
You're gonna
ng
make all of
enoki
them?
mushroom. Kita nyo ba yan?
Is that not a lot of mushroom to eat in one sitting?
Hugasan ko lang ha. Wait lang. Guys, okay nga. Alis pag di nyo ko nakikita. Magsasalita naman ako eh. Pero kung may gagawin kayo, go. Gawin nyo na.
Okay, fine.
Uy,
Since you
ang dami viewers
insist.
12,700. Uy, mga bored sila, mga walang magawa. Uy, mga nakahiga na sa kama, tapos mapapanood ako magpansit canton, tapos magkikrave sila. Eee!
That's what he always does. He just makes us hungry.
Naku, pag nakita nyo ako nagpansit canton, baka mainggit kayo. Tapos, tumayo pa kayo sa pagkakahiga nyo, tapos, magpansit canton. Hala, 13,000 na yung viewers. Ayun.
Wow.
Yak na. Ngayon naman ay maglalaga na tayo ng enoki mushroom. Feeling ko hyper ko kasi, parang buong araw ako nagpahinga. So yung isang araw na sinabi kong walang trabaho, pasensya na guys. Fake news yun. May ganun pala ako. Sorry ah.
The problem is he rested so much that he's going to be up all night, and then
Pasensya na.
what happens?
Tao lang rin naman ako, nagkakamali ako eh. Hello po sa 13.2 viewers. Yung mga nandito, feeling ko mga gutom to. Tapos mga ayaw nila nung kumain. Kaya nanonood na lang sila ng mga nagla-live. Tapos makakita sila ng mga nagbumukbang, ganun. So, okay, habang hindi pa naman, hindi pa kasi kompleto yung mga kakainin ko. Ang meron pa lang ako noodles. Hindi pa luto yung itlog. Pero feeling ko okay na to. Papating ko na. Meron akong 4 na hard-boiled egg. Antayin ko na lang yung enoki. Enoki. Pero titikman ko na to kung ano lasa ng pinagsamang chili mansi at sweet and spicy. Nakikita ko sa mga nagmumukbang gumagano sila. Sabi nila, first bite. Tapos, bon appetit. First bite, bon appetit.
Oh my god, it looks so hot.
Mainit lang pero.
Why does he always make me feel hungry? I'm gonna have to have some noodles today.
Wow! Ba't ang daming nanonood? Uy, mga gusto ko ba pero walang time. Tutulog na sila. This is my pancit canton. Magbabalat lang ako ng itlog guys. Teka lang. Gusto ba ako makita magbalat ng itlog?
Go on then.
Hey. Aboy. Saka gusto makita si Estelle. Yan. Gagawin ko ang aking best. Oh! Yan. Oops, kita yung brand. Ibabalat lang po tayo ng itlog. Uy, 14,000 na yung nanonood. Anong meron, guys?
Are you feeling the pressure now?
Meron. Dito na natin lalagay. Huwag na. Dito na lang. Diretso na doon. Anong dinner niyo pala, guys? Anong kinain niyo tonight? Inggitin niyo ako, dali, kasi inggitin ko kayo mamaya.
I honestly love the specs.
Tinola, wow, sarap naman ng pagkain niyo. Wow, McDo. Dunkin at McDo. Promise guys, hindi ko kayo pupuyatin. Tatapusin ko, magla-live lang ako habang kumakain. Tapos after nun, tulog na tayo.
I thought you just got up.
Kamote. Uy, parang gusto ko nga ng kamote. Daming gusto. Hindi pa nga ubos yung pansit canton eh. So, ito lang hinihintay ko yung yung enoki mushroom, tapos okay, nakakain na ako. Gusto ko sana magkape. Kaya lang, tinatamad na akong ubos na kasi yung yung coffee ko dito. Mga drip coffee. Pwede sana ako umorder. May Dunkin sa baba ng condo ko, pero parang tinatamad na ako bumaba.
Don't say that, because then you'll kind of identify where you live. Not that anybody would like step out of line, but just don't say it. Let's just be vague.
Hello po sa 15,000 viewers.
15k
Ready na
viewers.
ba kayo mainggit sa pagkain ko ng pansit canton?
Yes, we're ready.
Intayin nyo. Bakit 4 yung itlog?
Why not 4 eggs?
Wala lang po. Gusto ko po kasi pag kumakain ng pansit canton, maraming egg. Ngayon lang naman. Diet ako. Hindi ako diet actually. Kinakain ko ngayon lahat ng mga gusto kong kainin. Habang wala pa kaming masyadong... Habang malayo pa yung fan meet. Tsaka wala pang mga music video shoot, ganun.
Yeah.
Kakainin ko na lahat ng gusto ko. Para pagka pag may schedule na, tsaka ako magdadiet.
That face.
Yes, bakit ang daming nanonood ngayon? Anong meron? Dahil ba sa nagluluto ako ng pansit canton? Or uso talaga ngayon yung mukbang? Uso ba yun?
I think it's just because everyone missed you so much.
Hello po sa 15.8 thousand. 16 viewers! 16,000 viewers! Anong meron, guys?
That's insane.
Bakit naman kayo ganyan? Nanonood pala si Ate Leia, yung RM ko. Ate Leia. Hi. Mag-dinner ka na ba, te? Gusto mo mag-dinner dito? Pansit canton nga na. Opo, ang kinakain ko ngayon, Lucky Me Pansit Canton. O, di ba? Siyempre. Sino ba endorser ng Lucky Me? Siyempre, di ba? Ito, Ito, endorser ng Lucky Me, Lalayo pa ba kayo? Ayun, Oh. Lahat ng ini-endorse namin, kinakain namin talaga. I mean,
Yeah, exactly.
syempre bago namin tanggapin
Rather than
yung
just fake it.
i-endorse namin, dapat, di ba? Initay ko lang yung inoki mushroom and then we're done. Pero gusto niyo ba kumain ako? Hindi, gusto ko kasi kumain ng kompleto. Ayoko kumain ng kulang. Guys, alam niyo ba, nung isang araw pala, nung sinabi kong wala akong event, joke lang pala yun, sorry. Meron pala, nakalimutan ko lang. Pumunta ako sa birthday celebration ng may-ari ng buong Pure Gold. Buong Pure Gold. So, nag-perform ako sa birthday niya. Tapos, nagulat ako, may paalog. Grabe, binigyan ako ng binigyan ako ng ampaw. Teka lang.
Oh no, we've had bad experiences with envelopes before.
Agang pamasko. Di ko bubuksan. Tatago ko to sa wallet ko kasi swerte daw yun. Tapos may pauga rin silang parang early.
He's so cute for sharing all this stuff with us.
Oh. Di ba? Amazing. Init. Yan na, malapit na. Teka lang guys ha. Malapit na yung enoki mushroom. Konti na lang. Hello po sa ating 7,000 viewers.
Huh?
Excited na po ba kayo? Ano
Only
pong ginagawa
7,000?
nyo ngayon? Yung iba ba nasa work? Yung iba ba ay nakahiga na sa kama at patulog na? Yung iba ba ay bored? Yung iba ba ay... Anong ginagawa nyo? Nakikinig ng mga music namin, nag-stream, tas nanonood lang ng live. Hello sa 17,000 viewers. Grabe, 17. Baka naman gawin niya pang 20 yan ha. Nakakahiya naman. Ayan, luto na siya. Baka gawin niyang 20 yan. Nakakahiya naman.
We all want a piece of you.
Oh, 17. Oh, tumataas ng tumataas. Parang gagawin niyo ang 20,000 viewers ha. Anong meron, ha? What's meron? Anong meron, guys? Yan na, mag-18,000 viewers na.
I can't believe it.
Guys, talaga. Alam ko may strainer ako dito, ba't di ko ginagamit? 18,000 viewers! Hello! Hi guys! Teka lang, ito na, patapos na. Kakain na tayo.
Everything else is gonna be cold.
Ako lang pala.
Hurry. Baka gamin nyo talagang 20,000. Nafe-feel ko talaga. Aangat to ng 20,000. Yung viewers natin. Ano yan? Expect nyo ang gagawin ko? Kakain lang ako. O, ito na. Tapos na. Teka lang ha. Pupwesto na tayo. Let's go! Kita nyo ba yan? Wait lang, wala akong tubig. Let's go! Hello po sa 18,400 viewers. 18.6 na! Grabe! Oh my gosh.
Hi guys! Good evening po. Ngayon pa lang ako magdi-dinner kasi buong araw po akong nakahilata sa kama. And tonight, ang kakainin ko po ay Lucky Me Pancit Canton with 4 eggs and enoki mushroom. Kain na po tayo. Itadakimasu. Oh, Japanese. Ooh. Kain po. Ala, magti-20k nga. Paka-uwi.
I really hope we hit 20k.
Thank you Lord sa food. Ang OOA, magti-20k. Anong meron? Hindi ito planggana. Bakit 20k yung nanonood? Anong meron? 21k? Seryoso
Oh my
ba to?
gosh.
22? Ano to? Anong meron?
Yeah, what is going on? That's a lot.
Ikaw lang ba nag-decorate ng Christmas tree mo? Yes, ako lang. Sarap. Let's try it with egg. Hello po, 24,000 viewers.
24,000 viewers.
Nag-dinner na ba kayo guys? Yung mga kumakain, sabay tayo. Kung kumakain kayo ngayon, post your picture on X with the hashtag.
It looks like a pretty good meal, to be
Sarap.
quite honest with you. Like, I can see how like the different
This
elements
is
will
Lucky
go
Me
together.
Pancit Canton, sweet and spicy, and chili mansi. With enoki mushroom.
Why? Why? Why
Gusto
am I
nyo?
hungry watching this? This is
Grabe guys,
ridiculous.
umabot nga tayo ng 20k. Ano meron? Bored lang ba kayo or uso ba talaga ngayon yung mga nagmumukbang? Medyo na lumalabas lang yung sipon ko kasi maanghang. Sorry po dun sa mga sa mga hindi nanonood ng mga mukbang kasi ayaw nila yung mga slurping sound.
I like it as long as it's somebody else. If you're
Alam ko
sat
kasi
on
may
a
ganun
table
yung
with
mga
me,
ayaw talaga nila.
I'm joking.
If
It depends
ayaw niya po sa
how annoyed
ganun,
I am with you.
huwag niyo na po panoorin yung live ko. Tanggalin ko na nga.
Oh wow. Did that just happen before my very eyes? I think it did. Do you see
Dahil
how
puro
his face
ganun po ang
changes
maririnig niyo.
with just that?
Uy, may naiinggit. Gusto na magluto ng pancit canton.
What he should do is tell you in advance what he's going to be cooking that day. So you go out and buy those ingredients and like you sync up with him and then you sit and actually eat across from watching
Ayun na,
this
bumababa
TikTok.
na. Go.
They just dropped by to check what you were doing, Sel.
Alam ko bakit bumababa.
Why? Because you're
Nagluluto na
eating.
yung iba. Joke lang.
Honestly, I was always an egg lover, but he has just made me love eggs to a whole other level. I still don't eat them, but I
Iba
really love them.
nilalagyan ng mayonnaise. Tama ba? Grabe. Nagpapawisan ako.
How spicy though? On a scale of 1 to 10. I need to know. I don't believe it.
Ano ba pwedeng ilagay? Tama ba, mayonnaise? Pero kasi parang hindi ko trip yung mayonnaise eh. Ketchup? QP, QP. Pero kasi hindi eh. Masarap na kasi yung ganito sa akin eh. Ilan
He
yung
really
style, ba't
is
di
sweating.
nauubos? Naubos naman.
He's a growing boy. He needs a lot of food.
Muntik pa magluto ng
I think
hotdog eh.
I have just watched him eat this, and I've put weight on.
May hotdog pa kasi ako dyan. Ang dami kong binili ng Tender Juice.
Uh-oh. Did you just say the brand?
Ang dami ko biniling hotdog.
Good save.
Kasi, pag nandito yung mga pamangkin ko, lagi nilang gusto hotdog. So, grabe pinagpapawisan ako.
I do wonder what they eat when they've got like really busy back-to-back schedules and stuff. Because you can't cook, it must be like takeout, and if there's something supplied on set.
Uy, may nagluluto nga ng pansit canton. May sumabit. Ilang pack? 4? Tama ba? 4?
I've honestly missed this so much. It's like the best day ever. It really, looking at the bowl, it really looks like it's just not getting empty.
Anong height ko?
Never-ending bowl of noodles.
5'7".
I thought he was 5'8".
No,
Have you
this is not
shrunk?
my first meal. This is my second meal.
Oh no, he is 5'7", isn't he?
Kinain ko kanina ay pagising ko, nag-lunch, tas after lunch, wala na. Dire-diretso na. Tulog, movie. Pero before that, nung morning, naglinis ako ng bahay. Napagod ata ako. So, katulog ako nung hapon.
And
Tapos
nap is
pagkagising
good.
ko, yun na, naligo na ako tapos, ito na, nagla-live, kumakain ng pansit canton.
What did you read? He read something.
Oo, may mga nanonood ding basher, oh. Hi. Hi sa inyong lahat. Grabe naman, nag-aksaya ka pa ng oras. Talagang pumunta ka pa dito. Hi, salamat po. Bago ka po umalis, mag-drop ka po ng stickers or gifts.
He's joking, right?
Thank you.
Is he joking?
Hello po, ito nga po pala yung binabash mo.
What is going on?
May nagko-comment kasi. Pansinin natin mamaya. Pag nag-comment ulit siya. Sana yun?
Are you joking? I keep waiting for him to just say joke. There is someone there that's bashing him and it caught his eye as well. You suddenly see how his mood changed when that happened. I hate human beings. Some of them. You just have to be like a real loser to do that. Congratulations.
Grabe, pinapawisan ako. Ang hang kasi. Mamaya may kikwento pala ako.
I'm really worried. What does he want to talk about?
Excuse me.
I feel like he's breaking up with us. Is this the last live ever? I'm concerned.
Kaya nga dami viewers eh. Hi po sa 18.6 thousand viewers. I'm just having my dinner, guys. I'm eating the number one instant noodles in the Philippines, Pancit Canton. Yeah. If you're new here, if you're if you're a foreigner and you're just visiting Philippines and you're watching my live, please try Pancit Canton, number one instant noodles in the Philippines.
Why is he so cute? I can't deal with it. He's too cute. This should just not be allowed. You can't be perfect in every single way.
Guys,
This has to be some sort of a sick joke.
Endorser ako nito, guys. Ano ba kayo? Baka nakakalim... Iya ba? Magpapapastel ba tayo ngayon? Hindi po, sorry. Kasi baka abutin tayo ng madaling araw. So, kakain lang ako, tas after neto, i-end ko na rin to. Hawid ko si Lucky. Sinong Lucky? Yung kwento mo. Mamaya nga, pagkatas ko kumain, kasi parang hindi naman bagay yung sasabihin ko habang kumakain.
I'm dreading the story. And maybe I should be positive about it. Maybe something like really amazing happened to him, and so he wants to talk to us and tell us about it.
Magiging basher na lang. Sige, gusto niya ng pag-usapan.
No, eat your food first. Do things like you've planned. Don't give in to other people.
Paubos na siya. Kuya Esther, pag napansin mo ko, lilipad ako. Ay, no.
That was super cute. One hand chopstick, the other hand fork. Shove it all in.
Napansin
So
ito,
cute.
hiwalayin ko jowa ko. Ang tanong, may jowa ka ba? Di ba wala? Bago ka mag-type niyan, siguro din may jowa. Eh, wala di ba? Wala kang jowa. Joke lang. Ha? Wala sa akin si Kuro.
Why would Kuro be there?
Grabe, pinagpapawisan talaga ako.
What's the point of you taking a shower? Now you've just started sweating again.
Bukod sa bagong ligo ako, para rin ako naligo ng pawis. Sobrang anghang. Well, mababa lang naman kasi yung tolerance ko sa mga spicy food. Parang before nga, nag-try ako ng buldak, di ba? Yung buldak, yung Korean noodles na maanghang. Kumain ako ng 2 pack, tapos inatake ako ng migraine
No
after.
way.
Ay, kumain kami nun sa
I've never heard
Korean mart.
spicy
Hindi pa ako
food to
SB19
bring on a
nun.
migraine, but yeah, like That's really
So,
bad.
kumain kami noon sa Korean Mart. Tapos, di ba ano yun, yung doon lulutuin sa store. Tapos, kain kami, yung yabang ko pa nung una, sabi ko, di naman maanghang. So, 2 pack yung niluto ko. Tapos, pagka wala pa sa kalahati, inatake ako ng migraine.
That's
Ending,
awful.
napataksi tuloy kami pa uwi. Kasi hindi ko kaya maglakad. Tapos, niluluwa ko yung mga kinain ko.
That's so bad. I've honestly never heard that before. That's
Sige,
awful.
pag-usapan natin. Teka. Kwento ko na yung
Poor
sasabihin
thing.
ko. Alisin ko lang yung itsura ko. Kasi parang, baka di nyo ako maseryoso.
Dude,
Habang
you look
kumakain
freaking
ng
amazing. I
pansit
love the way he does his hair. And then he does this thing with his hands. He even does it when he dances sometimes.
Okay. So yun guys, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo. Palampasin natin. Still idol niyo po ako. Idol! Idol! Ano si Idol nag-comment? Patapos na, ayan o. Sinisimot ko na lang. Sinisimot ko na lang. Ano yun? 4 packs, 3 chili mansi, tsaka 1 sweet and spicy.
Okay,
Wala
I
kasi
thought he
sweet and
showed us
spicy,
2 packs, and so he was going to cook 2.
Wala stock
He
sa
ate
baba ng
4.
namin. Grocery namin.
He ate
Sige
4
na lang.
packs. I can't even eat 1
Yan
pack.
na, ubos na.
He ate 4 packs, and he doesn't get fat. I don't get it. I kid you not. I will 100% have put weight on just by watching this, just by looking at it. So unfair. I mean, I also don't want to eat 4 packs, but that's a lot.
Ubos na.
I'm actually really
Ubusin ko
worried.
na lang yung egg.
Can we not
Wait,
get to
basta may
the
pancit canton.
story
Ubus na.
thing? Keep eating. How long is left? Oh, a bit.
So, ayun na nga.
Oh no.
May ano lang ako, i-discuss lang ako na I think important naman siya, important matter naman siya. Kasi alam ko naman na bago ang lahat, gusto ko lang sabihin muna na alam ko naman na ngayon parang ang daming nangyayari, ang daming mga bagay na di natin makokontrol and
Like, I'm so lost.
talagang masasabi ko parang this year ata parang bunot ako sa mga sa mga nangyayari sa social media, sa lahat. So parang naiintindihan ko and I totally understand yung mga nangyayari sa mga sa lahat-lahat ngayon. Unang-una, gusto ko sabihin na of course, thank you sa inyo kasi alam ko naman na super protective kayo, super concerned and parang kayo talagang kung nafi-feel nyo na parang nasasaktan kami, ganun, or parang ayaw nyong nakikita kaming nasasaktan or what. And I totally understand kasi alam ko yung ganyang feeling. Parang naging fan din naman ako before. Siyempre, ayoko rin naman na parang yung mga favorites ko or yung idols ko parang inaaway or nababash or anything. So, ako, sa akin lang naman, with all the things happening right now, parang nasabi ko naman na sa inyo na hindi naman ako tinatablan ng kahit ano pa ng mga bashing or anything. Like, hinahayaan ko na lang sabihin ng mga tao yung mga negative things na gusto nilang sabihin about me. Kasi, unang-una, ba't naman ako masasaktan kung hindi naman totoo? So, diba? And
Yes, I do agree. But then sometimes you could just have a really down day and then see something and it will affect you. I don't think that you could just blanket say that it's never going to affect me anymore. So don't worry about it. That's basically him reassuring us. And whatever he's about to say, that's kind of like to back that up. But it's not okay. Whatever has been happening, I honestly don't even want to know about it because it's probably utterly ridiculous. It's about his face again, isn't it? And yeah, I don't want to know. I don't want to know. I don't care. And A, it's not true. It never was true. And it says a lot more about the people that say it. And you can't help but get really protective because we've seen him when he's been really low in many different occasions where he has not been Stell. He's been so quiet, barely said a single word. His eyes were hidden behind his hair. He couldn't even make eye contact. We've been there. We've seen it. He doesn't deserve it. But we also can't let people just do that. Like, I don't agree with that. But okay, let's hear him out.
Kung ginagamit nila for clout or kung ginagamit nila just to make fun of me, yung mga bagay-bagay para i-bash ako. So, let them be. Kasi parang kahit naman anong sabihin mo, kahit anong gawin mo, kung wala rin naman silang pakialam or hindi sila nakikinig, parang mapapagod lang tayo kakasabi ng kakasabi. So, pagka hindi natin pinansin, tas ma-feel nila na parang, wala na palang effect, parang sila na lang yung mapapagod. So, hayaan na lang natin sila. I know, mali yung ginagawa nila, mali yung bullying, mali yung ginagawa nila na bashing.
Thank you.
Pero kasi, parang, tayo lang yung mapapagod pag paulit-ulit natin sinasaway, pag paulit-ulit tayo sumasagot sa kanila on social media, parang tayo lang yung napagod and mas nanalo pa sila kasi yun yung goal nila asarin ka, goal nila yung parang magalit ka, goal nila is mag-react kayo sa mga post nila. So yung platform nila is talagang mabibigyan ng, alam mo yun, mabibigyan ng clout. So parang yung mga ganong klaseng bagay dapat din nyo na pinapansin or ignore nyo na lang. Kasi pagka nag-open ako ng Facebook, talaga nakikita ko, especially yung picture nga na kumakalat, yung ginagamit talaga ng lahat to make fun of me, yung parang picture ko nung parang pre-debut ba namin yun o debut namin na photo. Ginagamit nila sa kahit saan, sa mga memes, sa mga kung ano-anong bagay, kino-compare nila sa ibang mga artists, ibang P-pop idols, tapos parang sinasabi nila maasim, gano'n-gano'n. And ako, hindi ako nasasaktan kasi parang unang-una sa lahat, proud ako dun sa photo na yun.
As you should be.
Though, hindi lang sa makeup. Hindi, joke lang. I mean, proud ako dun sa picture na yun kasi kahit anong gawin natin, part pa rin siya ng past ko. And proud ako dun kasi yun yung reason bakit ako nandito ngayon. Merong ganong klaseng style, kaya merong style na ganito ngayon. So parang for me, pag nakikita ko yung photo na yun, I feel proud and I feel happy sa kung ano ako ngayon. Pero syempre, as a normal human being, hindi maaalis yung parang kirot na or parang inis na mararamdaman ko kasi nga ginagawang katatawanan yung photo ko. Pero pag iniisip ko, parang ano ba yung goal ng tao na gumamit ng photo ko? Bakit niya pinost yun? Tapos parang pag naisip ko, sino ba tong tao na to na nagpo-post ng photo ko? Ano na ba yung natulong niya sa buhay ko? Pagka naisip ko yun, parang nawawala yung inis, nawawala yung galit. Kasi parang hindi ko naman ibababa yung level ko dun sa taong nag-post na yun para gantihan pa siya. So parang hayaan ko na lang kung sumaya siya dahil sa ginawa niya, edi thankful ako, at least ako yung reason ba't siya masaya. Hindi na ako bababa sa level niya na parang papatulan ko pa siya or parang hindi na ako bababa sa level niya na parang gaganti ako, ibibigay ko yung same energy na ginawa niya sa akin. So parang hayaan ko na lang kasi kahit ano namang gawin ko, ako talaga yung nasa photo and ulitin ko, I feel proud every time na nakikita ko yung photo na yun kasi that's me before. And that's me nung mga panahon na gusto kong maabot yung dreams na meron ako ngayon. So parang
this man is
hindi ko mabubura yung photo na yun dahil part siya ng past ko. And I feel proud on that photo kasi ako yun. And yun yung isa sa naging inspiration ko para pagpatuloy ko kung ano yung gusto ko pang gawin until now. So, but yung mga fans, yung 18, I totally understand yung mga nararamdaman nyo kasi you want to pagtanggol kami, parang gusto nyo na mawala yung mga bashing. Unang-una sa lahat, yung bashing and yung mga bullies, hindi talaga natin sila maaalis dito sa mundo dahil ano talaga sila. Ayoko sabihin dahil alam nating masama yung ginagawa nila and kampo na talaga sila. Anyway, yung mga bully talaga, like, kesa ibalik natin yung energy na binibigay nila sa atin, imbis na awayan natin, pakitaan na lang natin ng magandang bagay. Kasi pagka pinatulan mo kasi, mas lalo silang, alam mo yun, mas lalo silang magagalit, matutuwa sila, tas sabihin nila, sige, asarin ko pa to, awayin ko pa to. Parang gano'n. Kung pakitaan nyo na mabuting bagay, at least nare-realize nila na parang, ang bait naman nito, ang sama ko palang tao. So parang pa-realize na lang natin na apakasama ng ugali nila.
It's quite wishful thinking.
Huwag na natin patulan. And yung mga ganong klaseng bagay, alam naman natin na, alam mo yun, parang, kahit anong gawin natin kasi, kung yun talaga yung goal nila and meron silang goal na hilahin ka pababa, wala tayong magagawa. So, ang kailangan na lang natin gawin, pakita sa kanila na ginagawa natin yung best natin para umangat tayo sa buhay. So, kung hilahin nila tayo pataas, mapagod sila kakahila sa atin. Kung hilahin nila tayo pababa, hayaan mo sila, mapagod sila kakahila sa atin pababa kasi never naman tayo bumababa. Patuloy tayong umaangat kasi alam natin mabuti yung ginagawa natin. So, that's fine. Mas masarap matulog sa gabi na alam mong wala kang inaapakang tao. 'Di ba? Mas masarap matulog sa gabi. Mas masarap gumising sa umaga pag alam mong maraming taong nag-aantay sa iyo and excited kang makita. Yun yung mas mahalaga. Yung mga ganong klaseng tao, hayaan niyo na kasi for sure may gagawin si God sa kanila. And one thing pa, gusto ko lang din i-address yung
another issue
nung parang kasi nga kanina medyo wala akong ideas na nangyayari, but nung nag-message si Gian, sa akin si Gian about nga sa nangyari, doon lang ako nagkaroon ng idea na parang may ganun pala. And for me, to be honest, I will use my platform to speak up sa mga ganitong klaseng bagay, and I know na kailangan ko rin tong i-clarify dahil ayoko naman na magkaroon kayo ng
he's an artist?
Na ayoko ma-feel nyo na may something between na may negative between ako with any artist. Ako, to be honest, hindi ko alam yung issue na yun, not until mag-chat si Gian and makita ko na nga yung mga pinag-uusapan sa social media. Ako naman, ang take ko, kayo, kung ayaw nyo makarating sa amin yung mga negative na bagay, huwag nyo nang i-tweet, huwag nyo nang i-post sa X. Pag-usapan nyo na lang. And kung may mga bagay kayo na ayaw nyo naman i-disclose,
I absolutely agree with that.
ayaw nyo naman na pag-usapan sa loob ng social media or sa X, kung saan pa man, huwag na kayo mag-post ng anything para hindi mapapaisip yung ibang tao na mga walang alam sa pinag-uusapan nyo. Kasi parang ang hirap kasi mag-post na parang hindi mo rin naman sasabihin kung tungkol saan. Parang nagbigay ka lang ng something, nag-hint ka, tas hindi mo rin naman i-share. So parang siya. Parang nakakabuo pa siya ng issue na parang ano bang meron.
Then everyone wants a bit of the gossip.
To be honest, yung nangyari with Gian, dun nga si Gian po ay from Cup of Joe, and isa po siya sa mga kaibigan ko, and siya po yung vocalist ng Cup of Joe, si Gian. Nag-reach out siya sa akin kasi nga parang natakot siya na baka mamaya daw galit ako. So sabi ko, bakit? Anong nangyari? Sabi niya nga sa akin, may na-like daw siyang photo, may na-like siyang post na natawanan niya, and parang sabi niya naman sa akin na hindi naman niya intensyon na matawa dahil dun sa photo ko. Natawa siya dahil dun sa caption.
Oh, I don't know.
Ako naman sabi ko, okay lang naman sa akin. Wala naman akong problema. Sabi ko kay Gian, huwag mo nang isipin na parang na feeling mo na na nagalit ako. Huwag mo isipin na nainis ako sa'yo. Kasi okay lang naman. Wala naman akong problema. Kasi nandyan na yan yung photo na yan, kalat na. And hindi ko naman na makokontrol yung mga taong makakakita at mga magpo-post nun. Pero, ang concern pala ni Gian kasi is yung mga taong nagme-message sa kanya na tinatawag na siya sa kung anong mga bagay. Ang ayoko lang kasi, yung pagdating sa dulo, yung parang masyado tayong paano ba? Sa sobrang pagiging protective natin, hindi na natin naiisip na baka naman hindi sinasadya ng tao, baka naman wala siyang masamang intention about that. Naintindihan ko naman yung feelings niyo, and valid na valid yun. Gusto niyo lang akong protektahan, ayaw niyo akong masaktan. But bago tayo magbitaw ng masamang salita sa ibang tao, isipin muna natin kung ano yung reason kung bakit nangyari yun, ano yung goal ng tao, parang inisip niya ba talaga yun to hurt me, or
We will
or
never
parang
really know that though.
hindi
You just have to
sinadya
make a
niya ba
judgment
talaga yun?
call on
Parang
the
ganun. So
spot.
parang before we
Jump to conclusions.
I mean, bago tayo magsalita ng masama sa ibang tao, isipin muna natin na kung makakasakit din ba tayo. Okay? Kasi ako, to be honest, wala talaga. Hindi talaga ako nasaktan. And message ko nga si Gian eh. Kanina nakita ko yung live niya and talagang naramdaman ko na natatakot siya
Oh, he
and
did.
naiyak siya dun sa live niya.
Oh, gosh.
Message ko kagad siya na parang huwag niya naisipin masyado, huwag na siya umiyak, sana okay lang siya. Pero promise guys, talaga, every time na parang may nangyayaring ganun sa atin, parang kesa magbigay pa tayo ng negative energy na dagdagan natin, parang mas tignan na lang natin yung mga bagay na mas ikakabuti pa ng lahat. Kasi pag yung gulo, nilagyan pa natin ng
And it tells people that it's a sore spot as well, so they'll keep doing
it. Ang gulo na ng mundo, parang maging tayo na yung pumunta sa mabuting sa ibang, anyways, hindi ko naman sinasabi na pinapalala nyo yung nangyari. Naintindihan ko na concern lang kayo and gusto nyong i-address. And nagsalita naman si Gian and nag-message siya, nag-sorry siya sa
I
akin.
love him so much.
And nag-sorry din ako sa kanya. Naintindihan
People like
ko yung
this
feelings nyo, pero sana
don't
please
exist.
mag-stop na po tayo. Stop na. Parang wag na tayong mang-away, please. Parang okay naman eh, wala akong naramdaman. Sabi ko kay Gian sabi ko lang sa kanya, nakita ko yan, natatawa nga rin ako kasi ang dami nang gumagamit, tas kung saan. Aminado ako na, masakit, may kirot sa akin pagka ginagamit yung photo na yun. Pero tulad nga na sinabi ko guys,
I want to say a little bit before he continues talking, because everything that he says, like the purpose of it, the purpose of who he is as a human being on this planet, he wants to look for the good in people. He wants to spread positivity. He doesn't want to dwell on the negative things that people do. He doesn't want to give them light. He doesn't want to fuel the fires. And I totally get that. But what happens is, because we love him so much and we feel so protective over him, and we understand how he felt about himself in those days, because he then made an adjustment, we then jump perhaps quite aggressively on anybody making those sorts of statements or comments. The thing is, bullying is bullying. It's wrong. And you have to call it out. You don't have to stoop down to that person's level in order to call it out. You can just say, stop bullying, Stel. We will not stand for this. This is not what 18 are going to stand for. Or you could just say something like, we're not going to fall for your tricks. We know that you're bullying, Stel. And you know that we are sensitive about this. We are not going to fall for your tricks. You are not going to have our attention. What I feel about Stel is I really hate that time and time again, his face comes up, because that has got to hurt. It was something that was an insecurity for him. He went on to make a change. And the fact that it comes up again and again, deep down inside, it's got to hurt. Every time it comes up, he's got to feel the way that he felt when he thought that he was ugly, when he thought that he was not good enough. And that is what I hate. And I agree with him. Don't talk about it publicly. Tag him. Don't tag official accounts. Don't start a whole trend of it on X. Take it to DMs, or make it really vague when you're talking about something. That is my thought on the whole thing. And I'm sorry if you think that I'm incredibly weird, it makes me want to cry, because there was a moment in his life where he thought that he was ugly. And I think that everybody probably goes through a certain amount of this, but obviously because he was in the public eye, people jumped on this and they started calling him names. And when people are at that age, I think you're going through a change anyway, and you're going through that glow up period. And whether he went on to have his procedure or not, he was going to be beautiful. He always was beautiful, but he was going to glow up, right? It was just that really awkward phase that we all go through, where we don't like how we look, how we dress, we're all spotty, and I don't know, nothing really works. But I just really hate that it comes up time and time again. Unfortunately, this is something that has been identified as a weakness for Stell and for us, and people are just going to keep bringing it up, unfortunately. And he should be really proud of that photograph being out there. I've not even seen what photograph this is, but I can bet and swear my entire life on it that I will tell you that is the most handsome man I have ever seen in my whole life. And it makes me feel so emotional because I love him and I care about him just like everybody else. And it's just disgusting that people will stoop to that level. But I do like that he is getting us to check up on our behaviour, because it shouldn't reach him time and time again. Now, I don't really know what happened with Jian, what that situation was. He obviously liked a meme, and the visual of that meme was Stell. Now, not really knowing the situation, I do want to say, when you are a person in the public eye, you have to be really careful about what you're liking, what you're saying, what you're sharing. And it sounds as though he very innocently liked something. As he says, it was the caption that made him giggle. But when you're in the public eye, you get checked up a lot more. And I hope that coming out of this, he will also be a little bit more careful about how he consumes stuff on social media, because he's obviously representing his group, and there will be people that might be offended, that might reach out to him, and I'm sad that he got so upset, that he went live, that he cried, he messaged Stell, and then Stell in the end had to do this. But it's in your own hands as well, and I think that he should be more careful in the future. That's my thinking. But yes, please continue to lecture us, Stell, because it's very much necessary. I think time and time again, even in my responses, sometimes I get really aggressive, and I think, I have no idea what that person is going through. Those are just words that I am reading, perhaps. Maybe the person's intent was not like that, and I should be more understanding. And I try every single time whenever I read something that's utterly ridiculous and makes me roll my eyes into the back of my head, that maybe that person's going through something, and maybe they need a little bit more kindness. And sometimes the best way to show kindness is by not saying anything at all. What he's saying perhaps is like a translation thing. You can be kind to people, but that doesn't mean that you have to smother them with love. Sometimes it means just ignoring them so that it goes away.
Kahit anong gawin ko, part yun ng buhay ko, and part yun ng past ko. And ako yung nasa picture, so parang walang magagawa, ako yun. So tawanan nila kung gusto nila, okay lang sa akin, kasi kahit ako naman tinatawanan ko yung photo na yun eh. And wala namang masama.
I wanna find that photo.
Ang mahalaga naman alam mo
How
yun.
Can I find that photo?
Basta bukal sa kalooban nila na wala talaga silang ginagawang masama, parang ganun, or hindi talaga nila minimin yun. So huwag nyo na pong awayan si Jian, please.
Yeah, please don't do that.
Goods kami ni Jian, we're friends, and never talaga ako nasaktan or nagkaroon ng sama ng loob dahil dun sa na-like niya na photo, na-like niya na post. Parang kahit ako rin siguro kung tatawanan, hindi, joke lang. Parang naman, parang understandable naman, and I know it's an honest mistake, and hindi siya nagmi-mean ng harm, parang ganun. So parang stop na, okay na yun. Na-explain naman niya na yung side niya, and
I kind of believe it though, after what I've just said. Obviously, the fact that he reached out to Stell to kind of explain the situation and like how he felt. I think he was really upfront about being honest about the whole situation, and for that I will give him the benefit of the doubt that like his intention was not to hurt Stell or to poke fun at that. But I think it just goes to show that like how often might you see something and be like, ugly, or how often might you say that to somebody hidden behind a screen or by liking something? Like, how often do you check yourself when that sort of a comment is passed, and how often do you stop that from happening? Like, I just think it's really easy these days to bully people, and people don't call it out. People are like, oh, that's just what they're like. Haters are haters. No, a bully is a bully.
I totally understand din yung pinanggagalingan nyo. So
I can't find this photo. It might be for the best.
Please, yun lang naman yung gusto kong sabihin. And
because I'm just going to say to you, it's the most beautiful man I've ever seen.
Ngayon, kasi ang dami ko rin nababasa like pati pati yung show na The Voice, parang nadadamay na. Pati yung
What?
pagiging coach namin ni Pablo,
Oh,
parang
no.
nadadamay na rin. So parang hanggat pumapatol kasi tayo, hahanap at hahanap sila ng butas na parang mababato pa sa atin. So kahit halata na natin na, alam nyo yun, kahit halata na natin na sinasadya nila na humanap ng butas, huwag yan napansinin. Huwag na natin bigyan ng platform pa. Kasi, ano lang parang ikinatutuwa pa nila yan pag pinapansin natin sila. So, parang fulfilling yan sa feelings nila. Pagka,
I can't find the photo.
napansin natin sila.
I think it's for the
feeling
best.
nila, valid. Ayan, sobrang, dinadamdam natin yung sinasabi nila. So, yun. Tingnan nyo, pag hindi nyo pinapansin yan, magsasawa rin yan mga yan.
That is true. That's tried, tested,
So, yun lang
and a
naman.
success.
Parang ang main lesson
Before he says what the main lesson is, I would like to say what the main lesson is. The main lesson is that you are not ugly, Stell. You never were, you never are, you never will be. And actually, your worth is so much more than what this is, because so many people have a gorgeous face and inside they are the most disgusting person on earth. Your beauty shines from within because you have the most beautiful heart and soul I have ever come across. And that is why I am crazy over this man. It's got nothing to do with his face. Yes, it's a great bonus that he looks the way that he does, but to be quite honest with you, the reason why I am head over heels in love with Stell is because of who he is as a person and his personality, way more than his face.
is,
That's the main lesson.
wala. Manahimik. Ang main lesson dito ay
That's a good lesson.
kalmahan mo at minsan bitawan mo ang cellphone mo, mag-enjoy ka sa buhay mo, parang ganun. Kasi naintindihan ko naman guys, nag-enjoy kayo sa fangirling, excited kayo makakuha ng updates from us, and parang excited kayo sa mga releases namin. But I know rin naman na meron tayong buhay outside SB19, outside social media, and may mga personal tayong buhay at lahat tayo ay may goals. So, parang alam ko naman na may time na kailangan nyo rin ng oras sa sarili nyo. So, pag may mga ganong time na parang, for example, hindi mo na talaga kaya, yung feeling mo papatol ka na, yun na siguro yung time para bitawan mo yung phone mo at mag-enjoy ka, pumunta ka sa mall, mag-grocery ka, maghugas ka ng plato, magwalis ka, mag-map ka, maglaro ka sa labas, may paglaro ka sa friends mo, gano'n. So, yun lang naman. Iwas na kayo sa patol. Kasi, ngayon, di ba, alam nyo naman na every time na pumapatol kayo, minsan, parang, di ba? So, parang kung ayaw nyo mabalik sa inyo yung sisi, huwag tayo pumatol, di ba?
That's the sad thing as well, because they will always be like,
Ayun, tsaka
oh,
ulitin ko
Tina,
lang
like
yung about
this.
kay Gian, yung issue. Stop na ha. Stop na, please. Thank you. Kasi, naman nag-message na si Gia, nag-sorry na siya, and lahat naman tayo dito, I'm sure, may natutunan tayong lesson. Kaya, imbis na mag-away-away pa tayo at magkagulo-gulo, let's be the bigger person. Yes, bigger person. Hindi, maging na lang tayo, maging mapagkumbaba, maging maunawa, and
what you can do on the side is collate a list of everyone that calls Stell ugly and DM it to me, and I will take care of them.
Isihan lang natin, life goes on. Mas okay na maging masaya kesa
True.
stress tayo sa buhay.
True.
Tingnan niyo pag wala kang problema, nakaka-fresh. Fresh? Ito ba yun? Anyways, yun lang naman yung gusto kong sabihin kasi ayoko naman na lumala pa yung mga bagay-bagay. Syempre dito sa industry, maliit lang naman to.
Yeah.
Kami lang yung magkikita. So ayoko naman na magkaroon ng awkward feeling or beef. Beef? Ayaw mo naman pork. Hindi, anyways. Yun lang naman. Ayoko naman kasi ng ganong feeling. Kahit naman sa inyo ayoko naman na may may tampungan. Kasi pag may tampungan tayo, hindi ko kayo papauwiin sa bahay. It's a minute. Joke lang. Yung mga matulog na. Yung mga may exam, alam mo, kayo din Kayo yung sabi-sabi, may exam pa ako bukas pero hindi mabitaw-bitawan ng cellphone. Ayan na yung sign nyo. Bitawan nyo na yung cellphone nyo. Matulog na kayo. Pero guys, seryoso yun ha. Stop na ha. Stop na. Papakain. Galit. Sayaan nyo yung mga basher. Hayaan nyo sila mapagod kakadut-dut ng cellphone. Alam mo, natutuwa nga ako eh. Kasi, biruin mo, kahit sabihin nilang basher sila, nagbibigay sila ng oras. Like, example, sinesave nila yung picture ko sa cellphone nila.
True.
Effort yun.
True,
Sinesave nila.
true.
Tapos, iisip sila ng caption. Iisip sila ng caption, yung feeling nila makakasakit sa akin.
You have
Effort
to
yun.
actively
Effort
be a
yun.
basher and
then,
hater. That's what makes
siyempre,
it
mga walang
worse.
wifi yan, for
Makes me
sure.
more angry.
Mga ano yan, magpapaload yan, magpapaload. Effort yun.
Yeah,
Kagasa
baby.
sila ng pera. Ano pa ba? Tapos, magta-type yan ng caption. Magta-type ng caption. Effort yun. Ipopost nila. Tapos, para humaba yung, ano, para uminga yung post nila, lahat ng comments doon, reply nila. Effort yun. So, thank you so much sa mga nang mabash po. Napaka-effort nyo po. Maraming salamat. Kaya hindi ko po masabing basher kayo eh. Kasi ramdam na ramdam ko po yung effort nyo sa akin. Hindi ko maramdaman yung bash nyo. Galingan nyo pa. Galingan! Hindi, joke lang. Baka ma-trigger sila lalo. Pero yun lang. Yun lang. Ganun lang gawin nyo. Parang kesa ma-stress
What
kayo.
is
Naku,
squeeze
hayaan
him?
sila. Hayaan nyo silang mapagod mag-post ng picture ko. Hayaan nyo sila. Hindi nyo ba alam sa kakapost nyo nila ng picture ko, mas lalo akong nakikilala.
Yeah, baby.
Lo, sabihin ang yabang ko.
You can be though.
Kakapost sila ng picture ko, kahit yung mga old photos ko pa na wala pa akong budget pang kain. Yung pinopost nila na payat ako. Tapos yung pinopost nila na wala pa akong skincare. Nako. Post nyo lang po yan para mas makilala pa po ako. Ako po si Stel. Coach Stel po ng The Voice.
Damn right,
Member din
bitch.
ng
Sorry.
SB19. Nag-perform din po ako kasama si si Mr. David Foster. Nag-perform din po ako kasama si Mr. Louis Ocampo. Nag-perform na rin
That's
po
hot.
ako kasama si Mr. Ryan Cayabyab. Nakasama ko na rin po mag-perform sa stage si Miss Regine Velasquez. Nag-perform na rin
Who
po
else?
kasama si Jamie Miller. Tapos may mga kakolab pa po akong international artist na si
I wanna squish him.
Yabang.
You can though. You've earned it.
Pero yun guys,
You've
ganun
proved
lang.
yourself.
Ano lang, mas hanapin natin yung positive side, yung brighter side ng everything. Siyempre, kaya naman nila ginagawa yan kasi success. Joke lang!
It's not a joke.
Alam mo, ang yabang ko na, no?
It's hot.
Ayun lang, siguro pwede niyo ako i-bash na SB19 Stel, ang yabang na, ganun. SB19 Stel, ang taas na ang tingin sa sarili. Ganun. Member ng P-pop boy group na SB19 Stel, ang taas na ng ihi. Ganun. Pwede yan.
It's too aware.
Mga headliner. SB19 Stel, nagbibilang ng achievement sa TikTok Live. Ganun. Dapat ganun yung mga ganun yung mga headline para masakit. Ganun.
But you aren't that person.
SB19 Stel, pinurga ang mga basher. Pinurga. Ay, nako. Diba? Ang saya lang, diba? Kung nambabash sila, anuhin natin. Lokohin din natin sila. Hindi pwedeng, nag-effort sila. Mag-effort din tayo, guys. It's give. Bigayan to, guys. Ay, pero seryoso dinadaan ko lang sa joke, pero sana nagigets nyo yung gusto kong sabihin, yung lesson na okay, ayun, give and take, hindi give, ano ba yan? Ayan, i-bash nyo ako dyan. SB19 Stel, ay may tumasik. SB19 Stel, kinulang ng bokabularyo. Ganun. Ganyan dati ang mga bash. Hindi yung Stel, nagparetoke, ganun. Napakaluma. Wala bang bago?
Yeah.
Stel, retokado ang ilong. O tapos, sos, walang bago.
It really, really
Kasi iba
hurts me.
magtatabihin yung picture noon, tas picture ngayon. Tapos, marunong din naman ako mag-edit. Mas maganda pa. Ito naman. Pa-edit mo na lang sa akin, libre. Ang iniisip ko ngayon, dapat yung mga ano, creative bashing. Hindi, joke.
Oh, giving them
Mga
ideas.
hikayat. Basta yun guys, sana nagigets nyo yung point ng sinasabi ko. Dinadaan ko lang siya sa joke, pero naintindihan ko naman. Alam ko na naintindihan nyo.
Yeah.
SB19 still. Hindi marunong mag-English. O ano naman? Magaling ka. Wah, ba't mo ko inaaway? Ha? Inaaway?
Get it off your chest, Stell, today.
Anyways guys, tapos na ako kumain and 10:30 pa lang pala, akala ko 12 na. Yung mga tapos na po dyan, then kumain, hugasan nyo po ang inyong pinagkainan. Extend. Sabi nyo ayaw nyo mapuyat, tas ngayon papa-extend kayo. Oo nga, huwag nyo na ako i-bash. Ako na lang magbabash sa sarili ko. O gusto nyo, tulungan ko kayo. Hindi na guys, kasi pag nag-extend ako, aabutin na naman tayo ng alauna,
Sounds
alas
amazing.
2.
Do it.
So dahil tapos na ako kumain, I think that's it guys. Busog ako. Excuse me, sorry. Kailangan ko nang maghugas ng mga pinagkainan ko dahil ako ay mag-skincare pa, maglalagay pa ako ng sheet mask. Bukas po, ako ay may trabaho. Kaya sana kayo ay kumilos din para sa ikakaunlad ng inyong pagkatao at ng inyong pamilya. Huwag po tayong maging tamad, okay? Anyways, maraming salamat po sa pagnood ng aking live. Sana ay may napulot kayo sa mga pinagsasabi ko. Again, yung issue sa akin and kay Gian, okay na po yun. Nag-usap na kami and please, stop na po, okay? Okay. Thank you ha. Salamat. Nakikinig ka. Hindi ko po birthday. So ayun, yun sa mga sinabi ko, sana naiintindihan nyo talaga and isipin lagi kung anong mas ikakabuti ng sarili at ng mga tao sa paligid. Okay? Hindi yung iisipin natin yung makakabuti lang sa atin, wala tayong pakialam sa mga tao sa paligid. Huwag ganun. Hindi yun nakaka-fresh. Ito, fresh ba yan? Hindi. Anyways, ayun, salamat po sa pagnood ng live. Hindi na ako nakapagbabay. And next time ulit, pag may free time, tignan natin. Medyo ang dami pang viewers, 13,000. Pasensya na. Pero para maaga po tayo makapagpahinga dahil may mga trabaho pa po tayo bukas, okay? At may school pa. Ikaw, gagala ka pa bukas. Wala ka pa kang pamasahe. Tapos nood ka dito. Mangingi ka ng pamasahe. O kaya maglinis ka ng bahay para bigyan ka ng pamasahe. Sige na. Bye-bye na. Thank you so much. And next time ulit, pag may free time, let's see kung makapag-live. Thank you so much, everyone. Sana po ay hindi kayo na-offend, nasaktan, nagalit, at sana ay naging masaya kayo tonight. Ha? Okay. Tulog na ako. Bye.
Oi.
Siyempre, hindi pa kaya alis kasi wala pa yung love you. Sige na. Tulog na. Tulog na kayo ha. Good night. Love you. Hindi ko maseryoso yung buhok ko.
Serious?
Good night. Love
I've
you.
never seen serious hair before.
See you next time. Pahinga na. Good night. Love you. Bye-bye. Good night. Sweet dreams.
Oh, wow. What do I even say that I've not said already? I think I totally see what he is saying, and he's really come a long way with his confidence and with his mental health, and I take it all on board, but I stick by what I've said. A bully is a bully. There is definitely a way of dealing with this sort of stuff to make sure that it doesn't keep getting back to Stell, okay? Like, I think we can just handle it amongst ourselves. I understand that we're all really passionate about the boys, and if anybody dare say anything, we want to just end it. We get it, right? We all feel the exact same way, but we just need to work a little bit smarter to make sure that it doesn't keep getting back to him, because yeah, it makes us look bad as a fandom, it makes SB19 look bad as well, and I think that, yeah, I'm pretty sure, I'm so confident in 18, because I just know that 18 is such a loving fandom that we're gonna resolve this within ourselves. We're gonna figure out a way to not let this keep happening, because it's somebody trying to make us all look bad. And that's it. There's no other goal from it. They want to look like the poor innocent person who's been bullied or like picked on, but that's really not the case. Just don't give them the time of day. I think my thing is, I'm really sensitive to this because, as I've said to you, I love Stell throughout every single era, and actually the Stell that I truly fell head over heels in love with was pre-enhancement. If you ask me what my most ideal man on earth looks like, I will give you a photo of Stell during that Hanggang Sahuli era. That is the Stell that I am in love with. That's not to say that I'm not in love with Stell right now, because at the end of the day, it's his soul, his heart, his personality that I am in love with. Whatever he needed to do in order to make himself feel better, absolutely fine. Do it. Why not? If you can, do it. And don't go out of control with it, which is another thing. He just did that one thing and then stopped. He need not do any more. And I also respect that he has the control to not get swept up in everything that might be available to him. But I'm always going to be really sensitive, because I hate the fact that a couple of years ago, Stell lived his life thinking that he was ugly. Like, that, I think, is always going to be like a thorn in me, and it's just one that I will never be able to pull out, because there's no way that we can go back to Stell of that time and tell him how amazingly beautiful and handsome he naturally is. Because even if we say it now, he'll be like, oh, you're only saying it now because you realize that there was an insecurity and that I made a change. That's the only reason why you're saying it now. But the honest truth is, like, hands up, hand on heart, I could not, I don't even know how else to make you believe, but I honestly think he was always so incredibly handsome, always. And that's what makes me feel upset, is that whenever this comes up, he is always taken back to that feeling, to that decision making, those conversations that led him to make that change. And obviously, the more time that goes on, he won't always go back to that place, because you'll mature and there'll be other things that maybe hurt you more. But I just hate that ever happened, that this is an issue. I just hate that. That is why I get so emotional whenever somebody talks about his face. And also, I don't like this discussion that some people on this earth are treated differently because of the way that they look. I do not understand that. Who suddenly decided that a particular face or a particular feature was what was going to be treated with respect and put up on a pedestal? Who decided that? And I'm sorry, if all human beings, like, gathered together to say, yes, we agree, then they are all freaking morons. They are all sheep. That is disgusting. To put anybody below anybody else because of the way that they look, I am not about that. I am not interested in that. And I am really passionately anti that. Let's hope this never comes up again. But I do love the way that he explained everything to us, even brought in some comedy. And basically, I love this man and I am crazy for this man. Do talk to me about this TikTok live. It's a lot more than I was expecting. There I was thinking we were just going to eat noodles and eggs and mushrooms, but no. I can't wait to hear what you have to say about this. And a huge thank you to Estella Presso for uploading and for subbing and for allowing me to watch it so soon as well. I mean, this was what, 17th? It's the 19th today. The turnaround is just insane. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.